created mice with two biological fathers, a development that could lead to radical new fertility treatments. The research is still in its early stages, but it saw mice being born from eggs derived from only male cells. Well, earlier I spoke to Michelle Goodwin, who is Chancellor's Professor at the University of California, Irvine, and Visiting Professor of Law at Harvard Law School. I asked her how significant this development is.
Well, it is quite a significant discovery, which still should be confirmed. And I think there are a number of questions that people will have, questions that relate to law, that relate to ethics, and there will be some that celebrate this news. And I think it's also important that this becomes also a lesson in science. For example, there may be some people that say, well, this is inappropriate research, that males are not meant to give birth. Well, there are species such as seahorses, pipefish, sea dragons, where the males actually do give birth. So this is going to open the door to a broader conversation.
So you mentioned some of the concerns there, but the professor has said that it's still in its early stages. But what do you think about the need for maybe potentially human testing in the future for women who might not be able to grow their own eggs? How much of a difference that could potentially mean for them?
Well, these are significant questions, as my research has shown over the years and so many others. The field of assisted reproductive technology has taken off within the last 30 years with demands from around the globe because there's greater recognition and greater honesty now about the conditions of infertility that women experience and that also men experience. And underlying this research seems to be the interest and ambition of the scientists involved to advance treatments for infertility. And that is a major issue that is in the United States, but also around the world, in Europe and the UK and parts of Asia, Africa, South America, Australia, all around the world. There are people contending with this question.